there's a study about the fiber helps IBS. They observed the group of 4 groups of people with fiber to see fiber is helping these syndromes or not. Certainly they found this type of fiber helped all those symptoms with absence of painful gas in the tummy, which fiber. Doctors recommended at least everybody should have 25 grams of fiber every day. Knowing that lack of fiber in food tended to develop this disease. And some says people who take more fiber tended to have the middle-sections a little lower and they feel fuller, longer. And what else? Fiber people claim lower the bad cholesterol and steady sugar level, as well as preventing risk of getting colon cancer. Soluble fibers, insoluble fibers. Soluble fiber is when it's dissolved in the water, it became gel-like substance when it passed through the gut. Food high in fiber: apples, beans, blueberries, lentils, oat product, and psyllium. Insoluble fiber is like wheat bran. It doesn't dissolve in the water but move fast, known as roughage. Food high in insoluble fiber: carrots, cucumber, wheat, tomatoes. Certain type of fibers are higher viscosity, which means gets thicker and stickier gel-like. Therefore, when it passes through, it makes you feel fuller and longer. What other food has high viscosity soluble fiber? Berries, again, berries, and fruits, barley, oat, psyllium. Lower viscosity don't have that beneficial properties in it. It's supposed to help us preventing those gut disease like IBS, and then lower the cholesterol and steady blood sugar, and preventing type 2 diabetes, helping to lose weight. In our gut, there are trillions of good bacteria, our forgotten organs. These bacteria need food. The bacteria, probiotics. Probiotics need food and the water. What are those? Prebiotics. What are the prebiotics? Soluble fiber, fermentable fibers give good food, become a good prebiotic for our probiotic. Soluble, fermentable fibers are in oat, barley, fruits, and vegetables. Some insoluble fiber is good with fermentation as well. Some reviews of studies showing that soluble fibers remove the cholesterol, bind with the cholesterol, it comes out, and helping to prevent inflammation in the gut, but not necessarily effective as laxative, like this roughage, as we call it. So we need both types of fibers. Insoluble with wheat brands like soluble fibers from psyllium, beans, and apples. According to observation studies of association with fiber-only supplement and fiber-rich food, they value fiber-rich food, whole food, more. Possibly it's not because of the fiber, and perhaps there is the antioxidant and nutrient in that fiber-rich food does do good for body and reducing the risk of this chronic disease. So what are the takeaways here? Have a fiber-rich food. Have a soluble, insoluble, fermentable, non-fermentable fruit and vegetables. Eat your oat, apples, berries, carrots, cucumbers. Get the nutrient and antioxidant beside the fiber with real food. So eat your 5 cups of vegetables. Eat your fruit. As a dessert, try to have oatmeal. Cook with the oatmeal. Bake with the psyllium. Eat your brown rice and a whole wheat. And also neurotransmitter called dopamine, which is feel-good transmitter. It makes us motivated to repeat good behaviors, and I feel good about our body, good movement, memories. These are dictated by dopamine. Dopamine is made in other body parts and the brain. 50% of dopamine is produced in the gut. There's another reason why you need to make gut happy and healthy. How do you produce more dopamine? Move regularly, exercise regularly. Eat some protein. 9 amino acid help to produce more dopamine. Eat your protein, lean protein, like turkey, eggs, soy protein, beef. Maintaining balanced diet, eating habit, make dopamine level properly. Get enough sleep. Sounds like a portion control all over again over the fiber. Keep your gut happy and healthy. Eat some fiber-rich food with lean protein.